Hello there, welcome back to a weather update. And right now, winter storm is still affecting across portions of New England now. And and moderate to heavy snow, blizzard conditions still ongoing. Basically, only around along the coast now though, and we'll definitely see what happens. Although this is really intense winter storm, still heading off to the north and to the east. With that, we're seeing some widespread heavy snow across portions of Maine, even heading still south into southern New England, where we've seen snow measured in feet, and that's still expected to continue. So yeah, you can definitely see that. So looking through, seems we still have a high chance of heavy snow across portions of Maine, heading into Atlantic Canada, and what to worry about is again middle next week, we'll be seeing a significant winter storm across portions of the Midwest. Significant icing, maybe some significant snowfall as well expected. So as we get closer, today we'll be in more details, but not really much apart from that happening. Although today we have elevated fire danger across portions of Nebraska, and on day 3, 40% chance of low relative humidity and wind across portions of Nebraska. So, yeah. Nothing really in terms of field weather yet. That probably will be a thing for a bit longer. Yeah, we could be seeing it. So anyways, let's take a look at the JTWC's outlook now. We have tropical cyclone, but I might pronounce this wrong, Batsirai. Currently with winds around 70 knots. Expected to strengthen slowly, really, and expected to peak at around 100 knots, 105 knots actually in the J5, at the third at 12Z. So we'll see what happens with that. Keep an eye on local forecasts, and yeah, that's really all I have to say about it. So anyways, apart from that's really it. And